Optimizing business velocity with Cisco Full Stack Observability. What is Full Stack Observability? Full Stack Observability is a holistic approach to monitoring and analyzing the performance of an organization's entire IT stack, from the network and applications to the underlying infrastructure. By collecting data from various sources and analyzing it in real time, Full Stack Observability provides businesses with valuable insights into their operations, helping them identify bottlenecks, optimize performance, and make informed decisions. Why is Cisco Full Stack Observability the right choice? Cisco Full Stack Observability stands out as a superior solution due to its comprehensive functionality and advanced features. By leveraging Cisco's Full Stack Observability, businesses can achieve unparalleled visibility into their network performance, application insights, and operational efficiency. Key benefits of Cisco Full Stack Observability. Real-time monitoring. Cisco's Full Stack Observability provides real-time monitoring of network performance, application behavior, and IT infrastructure, allowing businesses to proactively identify and address issues before they impact operations. Data analysis. The solution offers powerful data analysis capabilities, enabling businesses to dig deep into their data to uncover trends, patterns, and anomalies that can inform strategic decision-making. Network visibility. Cisco's solution offers comprehensive network visibility, giving businesses insights into traffic patterns, latency issues, and security threats that may impact performance. How can businesses leverage Cisco Full Stack Observability for business optimization? Businesses can use Cisco Full Stack Observability to monitor key performance metrics, track trends over time, and identify areas for improvement. By analyzing data in real time and gaining actionable insights, businesses can optimize their operations, improve efficiency, and drive business growth. Conclusion. In conclusion, optimizing business velocity with Cisco Full Stack Observability is essential for businesses looking to enhance their operations, improve efficiency, and drive growth. By leveraging Cisco's advanced technology solutions and expertise, businesses can achieve unparalleled visibility into their operations, make data-driven decisions, and stay ahead of the competition.